All transactions in the current DeFi system are 100% public information. Transparency is the very reason some users choose crypto in the first place. However, it can backfire sometimes. Although the user identity of each public address is not available, it is not mission impossible to identify a user and their related addresses. With the right know-how, anyone can mine data with the identity or location of the wallet address. That's why DeFiner 2.0 is poised to introduce a privacy function into our smart contract. The DeFiner smart contract will act as a black box and break up the on-chain link between deposit source and withdrawal destination addresses, giving users 100% privacy on their account. Let's take a look under the hood. When a user deposits into our smart contract from address A, they will have the ability to conduct an encrypted internal transfer from address A to address B. This transfer process is encrypted with zero-knowledge proof. When the transfer is initiated, an encryption key, which is only available to the user, will be generated. The key will be required when the user wants to withdraw funds. There will be no link between the deposit and the withdrawal within this mechanism, helping the users without recording any relational information between the deposit and the withdrawal addresses. Here at DeFiner, we take privacy and decentralization seriously, and this new function will help us achieve some of these initiatives the industry is striving toward. For more information about DeFiner 2.0, check out the videos below.